Let me show you what's cool in 1.0. The Atlassian Eclipse connector now includes the popular Mylan integration for Jira. If you're not familiar with Mylan, it lets you manage your Jira issues as a task list directly in Eclipse. This helps you prioritize and schedule issues without leaving your workbench. You can click on any Jira for all the issue details. You can also view and add comments and take actions to move issues through their workflow. A key feature of Mylan is the ability to track your time and manage your contacts. Whenever you activate a task in Eclipse, Mylan automatically tracks the files you touch and relates them to the issue. This allows you to come back later and have the same context in the issue that you had before. Adding your Bamboo server as a Mylan task repository lets you get build status and notifications right in Eclipse. You can drill into the details of any build and get information like status, test failures, code changes, and complete build logs. In the case of a failure, you can quickly open up the tests and view the stack trace. You can also rerun the test locally in Eclipse or create a new task from the failure. Adding your Crucible instance as a Mylan task repository lets you manage code reviews right in Eclipse. You can drill into a review to find all the details, including participants, objectives, files, and any comments. Clicking on a comment will automatically prompt you to activate the task and take you straight to the annotated diff view. Here you can easily respond with a single click. Everyone associated with the review will automatically get notifications in Eclipse. The connector will automatically update the annotations as well as the review details. With Fisheye integrated directly in Eclipse, detailed insight on your source is just a click away. You can also use the Copy to Clipboard feature to share this with others. With all this and more, the coolest thing about the Atlassian Eclipse connector is that it's free.